The first step to creating a successful compression joint is making sure your tube is cut and prepared properly. Cut your tube to length using a saw or a handheld cutter. Once the tube is cut, be sure to remove any burrs using a deburring tool. A twin ferrule compression fitting is made up of a fitting body, front and rear ferrule, and a nut. The ferrules must be in the correct orientation to form a compression seal. A bench vise is essential for the assembly of a compression fitting. Clamp the fitting body into the vise. Then insert the tube, making sure it meets the internal stop of the body. Once the tube is inserted correctly, hand tighten the compression nut. Using a marker pen, mark a reference line on the nut and the tube like so. This mark will be used to check the nut rotation when tightening. For sizes 1/16 of an inch to 3/16 of an inch and 2 mm to 4 mm, tighten the nut 1 1/4 turns. For sizes above, tighten the nut 3/4 of a full turn. To check the compression joint has been formed correctly, remove the nut and inspect the ferrules. There should be no movement forward or backward. If there is, it is possible to correct this by tightening the nut further. To reassemble the compression joint, simply hand tighten the nut, remark the nut and tube, then continue to turn the nut 1/4 of a turn.